Hey guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show.
We are going to take you through all the ride-alongs that are here at the McCormick Center. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be fun.
All right, we are going to ride in an Ioniq 5 for the first time.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. Hold up as well?
Yeah, I had some interest in this when they first came out, but I have not been in one before.
It's beautiful.
It is really nice. I like the screen. I like the dual screen. It looks really nice.
What kind of questions do you have?
What's it? The charging on it is
10 to 80% in 18 minutes.
18 minutes. Okay, so that means it's going to be pushing that 350 kilowatts. Probably around 250. It is at 350? Oh, wow. That's awesome.
This is the only vehicle that charges at that rate.
Yeah.
At this time.
Cool. And the horsepower on this one?
320 horsepower, 446 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay.
Officially, they give it a 5.2 second 0 to 60. Most third-party publications find it to be substantially faster.
Okay. Is this rear wheel, all wheel?
All-wheel drive.
Okay.
The all-wheel drive is optional. The rear-wheel drive model is 240 horsepower.
Okay. Now, does it disconnect on the all-wheel drive? Do you know?
Depending on driving condition, yes.
Okay.
So if you're just cruising on the highway, it's only going to use the rear motor to propel the car.
The rear, okay. That's awesome. I like how it's preference to the rear instead of the front.
Yeah. No more front-wheel drive because with this much power, it doesn't make sense to have front-wheel drive. You get a lot of torque steer, and plus when you get on the power, you get that squat to tack.
Right.
You want the traction in the rear.
Yeah. Plus the weight of the battery, you don't need to have front-wheel drive because you don't have the weight of the engine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they call the front a traction motor.
Okay.
It's just 80 horsepower in the front.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, I like the buttons all down here instead of everything being in the screen. That's pretty cool.
It's even cooler, actually.
Oh, you can use it. Okay.
It's redundant.
Yeah.
No, that's nice though.
Yeah.
Convenient for you.
Yeah.
A lot of kids like touchscreen. So
Right.
access everything with the touchscreen, or you can use the buttons, or you can even use voice control.
Yeah.
You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
Okay.
Use what suits your fancy.
Okay. That's awesome. I kind of like the seats in here. The white and the red stitching.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, I know. I can ask that.
It's
You guys know what the 4 dots on the steering wheel are?
Everything is pixels on this car.
Right.
And because they're going for a more minimalist, functional, eco-friendly look, instead of putting a Hyundai logo, they have the 4 pixels.
Oh,
The rest, they're squares.
right. That's pretty cool.
What about you? Any questions?
Does it make a noise?
It does.
I can
Like-
hear a little bit.
Okay.
Very little.
Yeah.
But I couldn't tell that. Okay.
Yeah.
More
Right.
from the outside.
Okay.
Inside, it's very well insulated because when you don't have an engine and transmission, you hear everything else. So they have to help.
Gotcha.
Right.
Yeah, I just couldn't tell if it was a sound that they were projecting or if it was the sound from the electric motor. You know, it's hard to tell. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yes, this is awesome. It's really nice. Yeah. Look at that giant space underneath that console. That's really cool. And it slides back. Wow. That's awesome. Thank you very much.
I'm going, guys.
You too.
it.